Hi guys, today was a perfect day to do an indoor snow activity. So today we're going to make a snowstorm and a snow bottle. All these ingredients. Okay. Mason jar, baby oil, water, white paint, glitter, Alka-Seltzer, figures, and other liquor. Get all your materials together. Mason jar. Let's open it. Now we are going to fill the mason jar up with baby oil. Do it very carefully. After we are done filling up the mason jar with baby oil that we just did, we are going to take a cup water and paint. Put inside the cup and then mix it with the spoon. And let's mix it. Once we have done it, we will mix the water inside the cup, and then we will pour it inside the mason jar. After we pour it, it will sink on the bottom. Do you see how cool is this? And look at these. Now the fun stuff. We get to add our glitter and decorations. Come on. Yeah. After we add some glitter, we are going to put the friends to play in the snowstorm. Ready? Ready? They're going to take breath. Ready? And the mom and the dad. Now the last thing, we're going to put these dices inside the snowstorm to create a storm to play. And if you put the other one, it's gonna get razor. You see, starting. What is this? I hope you enjoyed this snow activity.